What's up, guys? We are on a 2-day camping trip in the RV. It was going to be a guy's trip for me and my lifelong buddies, my cousins, one of my best friends growing up, to commemorate the passing of one of my best friends and my cousin that passed away just a couple months ago. We used to always go camping together growing up, so we're doing a trip in memory of him and his life. And then last minute we decided to invite our kids. We decided to invite our 8-year-old boys, our 7 and 8-year-old boys, as a surprise. So they're here with us and we'll bring you on this adventure. Okay, me and this guy, we're going fishing, right, buddy? We got to catch our own dinner. And check out our view. Okay, we got camp set up. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. We squeezed into this little road here because our normal spot was taken. Here we are. And I'll show you this location. I'm gonna cook right here in the back. Got our fire pit over here. Boys have already been shooting bows. Okay, we're out on a venture on this fish ladder where two rivers meet. I'm gonna show it to you guys. All right, we're riding four-wheelers. Is this fun, buddy?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, what are we doing, bud?
Fishing.
Is it pretty out here? How's your camping trip been so far?
Good.
Look at me. I just want to see that handsome smile. Okay, it's a hot day. We just dipped the boat into the reservoir and tied it off, so we're gonna do a little boating. It's about 75 degrees right now, 11:30 a.m. Are we out riding four-wheelers, buddy?
Uh-huh.
This is awesome.
Uh-huh.
All right, day one is done. We're in our cozy bed here. Okay, bright and early. Having my shake first thing. Bright and early, 9:30 a.m. See the fish jumping out there already? Pull back that hammer, there you go. Hold on tight.
Hold on tight, huh? That rattled my teeth.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay, go.
Ready?
Yep.
Fire in the hole! Gosh! Ho! Ho!
Alright, we're out on a four-wheeler ride. We found a little buddy. Alright, we're out riding. know.
You drop? Nice.
All right, Caleb, how was your second day camping?
Good.
What did you do today?
Ride 4-wheelers and then we did more 4-wheelers, but we're way longer one. We went to Pond Lodge and we went boating.
Boating? Was boating fun to you? Was that a good day? All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. All right, we just woke up, drinking my morning shake, and the fish are biting hard today and fast, so Dave's already caught 2 fish, so we're gonna head down here. Is this a great way to start your morning? What happened, man?
Okay, I was reeling the fishing pole in to cast it out again, but then a fish got on and I jerked it and then I got him.
Nice work. Let's go gut it. Okay, Kaylin wants to eat fish, so we want to have this bacon and some fish here. Here he is, waiting to eat that fish.
It's like a dolphin. Oh, he's... Woo, getting fancy. Nice.
Oh man, look at that. Pass it. He wants to go more. Pass it.
Yeah, no hand. That's awesome.
Kim, what are you doing? What are you trying to get? A snake? You see it? Get it. You boys ready to go home, Caleb? They're drumming.